For everything, folks. The roach, still it's a roaster. Be grateful for every day here, my beautiful Mother Earth. Every chess game, every coffee. Red Sox lighter, champions. Well, check. Keep it herbal, folks. Enjoy the day. Monday, attack the day with peace, love, action, mindful domination. Keep it herbal. Pass the doober to your neighbor. Share the meds.
Thanks, Super, because without Super, Jack Herrera would be nothing. And I really appreciate things, Super. Shouts out to you. Man, it basically created cool in the post-20th century.
Good buds. Shouts to Clear Rolling Papers. Lita, out of Brazil. Pondong. Yep, stay roasting, guys. This bud's good for you. Jack Herrera said, morning, noon, and night. Cannabis keeps you all right. What a roaster. This must be organic local Cali stuff, dude. Oh, look at that cold brew coffee in the reusable plastic cup. Shouts to Coleman Thermos. Get yourself a thermos for reusable water. Coffee Trans Pro. Oh, he's coming in. It's all happening now, folks. It's going down. Stay frosty. Keep it herbal.